Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Runway and Luma AI. So to get started with a quick analysis, Runway is a cutting-edge AI video generation platform offering a text-to-speech video and a video editing together with image to text video capabilities. It's widely used by creators, marketers, and production teams for its Gen 2 model, which generates a realistic short videos clip from simple text prompt, reference to image or motion. Talking about Luma AI on the other side, is the best known for the NERF natural radiance field and 3D scenes capture tools, but in 2025 it has expanded into a text to 3D videos and a cinematic AI generation. It also focuses on a hyper-realistic rendering and a dynamic camera movement that push the boundaries of viral cinematography. And talking about what these two platforms are best at, starting with the Runway. Runway is best for content, content and marketers who want a quick stylist or a surreal videos clip for text to or from text or image. And talking about the Luma AI is best for users seeking a photorealistic 3D video creation and immersive viral post or visual post. And talking about the downside of this platform, starting with the Runway. Starting with the downside, the video output is limited in resolution, often between 4 to 8 seconds at 720 pixel, and also lack a realism for enterprise and cinematic needs. And talking about the Luma AI on the other side, with the downside, which is that's a limited casual users tools, more focused on technical and professional workflow, and the text to video still involving not as intuitive as Runway for fast content creation. And here's the overall conclusion. You can simply pick Runway if you want a user-friendly, fast and versatile text-to-video platform for social media clip, concept visual, or experimental project. On the other side, you can simply opt in for Luma AI if you were after ultra-realistic 3D aware cinematic videos and have a flow that benefit from the detailed virtual sense and cinema or camera motion. So let me know in the comment section what your favorite about these two platforms, which is Runway and Luma AI. Thanks.